Hi there, this is our version of adana kebab. These are the ingredients.
Where's it from, adana kebab?
Turkey.
Ah, right.
You got chili, oregano, coriander, paprika.
Then a cumin in there.
Cumin.
Bit of
Organic onion powder and garlic powder.
right.
1 fresh onion.
Yeah.
And of course beef mince. You can use turkey, mince, lamb mince, any of that.
Right. What do we do with them?
Put all of them in.
Let's go then. The bell tolls. Right, let's get the onion in.
I can't do it with a knife, so I'll just do it like that.
Do it with the hands then. See, drop them in.
There we go. Then you mix it all in, give it a good mix.
Right. Get in there and give it a good squelch.
Get all the spices mixed in as well as the onion.
Get them well mixed, ready for the next stage.
Right, most people don't have professional skewers, so you could use a bread knife or any long-bladed sharp knife. So what you do, you get a big handful and just go along like this with your fingers and thumbs until it's to the length of the blade, and then you're ready for it to be grilled. Right, once you've done your kebabs, you just put them in the grill. If you have a normal barbecue grill, that's fine, it's the best one, but we don't. You can use that if you want to. There we go, and now start grilling. Right, here's the finished adana kebab. Gonna have a little taste of it. That's really nice and lovely.